Hi guys, Michelle here from Lumina Massage, and today I'm going to be talking about what you should do in order to prepare for your massage. So if you're a lady and you love getting massages, here's an inside tip on what massage therapists wish that you would do, or something that's just really helpful before you get ready to get your massage. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it. So this is kind of like a checklist, okay? So when you're booking your massage, sometimes it's on the same day, or sometimes you book it in advance, which is wonderful. But the first thing I want to talk about is to shave. That's right, ladies. We love it when you shave. So I get massages frequently and I try my best to shave before I get a massage. Why? Because going against hair that is coarse and that is short is actually really painful for the palm of our hands as massage therapists. So when we are when we're doing an effleurage movement, which is a long fluid stroke, even though we have lotion and oil, when we're going up the leg, for example, which is what we do on most ladies, that can cause a lot of friction, and it actually doesn't feel great. It feels like little spikes. So if you can help it, please shave. I've actually had ladies say, Michelle, I shaved for my massage. I don't shave for my husband, but I'll shave for you, which I thank you for that. So if you can help it, try to shave, the day before if it's a massage scheduled in advance. And if you can't, you can't. Ladies, it's not a big deal. It doesn't hurt our palms that much. We can always do kind of a downward stroke as well. But just as an FYI, if the massage therapist is classically trained in Swedish massage, we are trained to do the effleurage movements up the leg towards the heart. So sometimes, the hair cannot feel so great. So if you can shave, that would be wonderful. So that's tip number one. Tip number two, shower when possible. You guys can see here my hair is a little damp, so I'm getting ready for my massage pretty soon. And showering is ideal. Now, ladies, no judgment on my part. If you are working all day and you are booking it to your massage after work, that's fine. I'm gonna show you some tips on that as well. But if you can help it, and if you have the ability to do so, if you're at a spa or if you're close to home, and you can take a 5-10 minute shower, that really makes the skin very clean and a lot easier. Sometimes I've had people, not recently, but way in the beginning when I was starting out, I had some people, their skin, because they weren't able to shower, like the grime on their skin was actually coming off as I would apply the lotion or the lubricant. Now these are people sometimes that worked outdoors. These were people that sometimes worked, in fast food restaurants, or people that really had to sweat outside. So, showering would be ideal. Again, it's not always a possibility, but if you have the ability to do so, please do so, because it really makes it for so much more of a pleasant experience for us as massage therapists, and for you too. Okay, the next tip is do not book a massage after a mani-pedi, okay? So some ladies like to go to the spa, or they like to kind of book a spa day for your birthday or anything like that. So what you do, and here's my tip to you as a massage therapist, what you do is that you go get your hair done, right? You do a blowout, and then you do your mani and pedi, and then you come get a massage. Bad idea. You want to do the massage first. Number one, you're going to be super chill and relaxed for your mani and pedi, which is great, and your blowout. But the reason for that is that when you're on the massage table, the massage therapist is going to massage your fingers, and you don't want to miss out on anything. So if they start massaging their fingers, they're not really paying attention, or they're looking up, maybe not at your hands, and they ruin your mani-pedi, you're going to be really upset. Also, when you're face up, your feet are draped underneath, so the sheet is going to ruin your pedi. So ladies, please do not do a mani-pedi right before a massage, especially if the nail is still wet, it's a really bad idea. You know, you can do it afterward when it's nice and dry, but if you're doing a spa day and it's back to back, do not do your hair appointment or a blowout or a mani-pedi, you know, that will mess up the massage, because you're not going to be able to enjoy it. You know, you're going to go in and say, oh, I just did a mani-pedi, and already the massage therapist kind of feels limited. And a massage is something that's supposed to flow intuitively, so both of you can really enjoy it, okay? So the next one is cut your toenails. So I know this sounds kind of out there, but the truth is that if your toenails are really, really long, sometimes when, you know, as a massage therapist, when you're working on your feet or when you're kind of gliding by or doing some type of movement, I've gotten cut from a toenail, and you think toenails would not be that sharp, but they really are. Also, it's hygienic. It's something that, you know, good hygiene allows a massage therapist to feel really comfortable working with you. So if you can't go all out and get a beautiful pedi, you know, before your massage, just try to cut your toenails and have them be nice and clean, you know, and file down, just to be considerate, so your massage therapist doesn't accidentally graze over it, and that can be a little bit uncomfortable too, especially when you're doing a foot massage. Okay, so the next one is, don't put on body oil or body lotion after your shower before your massage, because you're going to be covered in oil in a second or during your massage. So some people, just as a habit, some women after their shower, they like to put on their moisturizer. You don't need to. You're going to waste your moisturizer, and the massage therapist is going to use hopefully some really good body oil. I know that the oil that I use is doused in vitamin E and has an olive oil base, and it's just wonderful. All of my clients love it. I use it on myself when I get a massage, so it's really good. So don't waste your lotion and oil. It's just not really necessary. The other thing is to bring some towelettes during, like if, for example, I mentioned before, it would be great if you can shower, but if you can't shower and you're running around and the massage is on the other side of town, and you've been working all day, go ahead and bring some moist towelettes in those packs that they sell at the pharmacy or any store, and just kind of keep them in your purse. Excuse yourself for 2 minutes, go to the bathroom, take care of your business, and get freshened up. At least, you know, your feet and those other areas that, you know, just need freshening up from the day. Again, this is something that allows you to feel comfortable and the therapist to feel comfortable. You know, you can excuse yourself even in the massage room for a moment while you're getting undressed. You can just go ahead and kind of, you know, go over the areas that you know you might be a little sweaty in or not smell so great from the day. It happens, it's okay, but having those towelettes are really helpful, and they're portable, so especially taking care of your feet and your underarms, that would be really, really wonderful. So the other thing, don't wear heavy makeup, especially foundation. So you can see for this video, I really only have lipstick on. I don't have any foundation. If you wear foundation or a heavy base, number one, it's gonna get all over the massage sheets. There's a face cradle and it's gonna get on there, and that stuff is really hard to get off when the massage therapist or the company has to launder that. That makeup stays on there. It's really hard to get off. So especially mascara. So that's one tip. So the other reason is, for you, when you're getting a massage, you have a lot of tension that is on your face. You have muscles in your face and in your scalp. You don't want to miss that when you're getting a massage. So if you wear foundation or if you wear base, that stuff along with the oil is going to mix in, and it's just going to be kind of awkward. The therapist can subtly go to the side and kind of wipe their hands, but then that's going to get on your body and it's going to be weird, and then your makeup is going to be ruined, and if you spent a lot of time on it, that's not going to be good. So before you go in for your massage, try not to wear any foundation or any makeup. It's really not necessary. And give your massage therapist the ability and the freedom to give you a beautiful facial massage, which feels great. So the other tip is pop a mint. Pop a mint or brush your teeth before you go in for your massage, and this is why. Sometimes, in order for you to relax, your massage therapist will usher you into something called deep breathing. So it looks like this. Notice how I exhaled out of my mouth. When you're on the massage table and you're face up, which is usually when you're deep breathing, sometimes you do it face down, you're breathing right into the face of your massage therapist. Side note, if you have a cold and you're deep breathing and you're breathing into your massage therapist, she or he will get that cold. So just as a side note, but that's another episode. But pop a mint or brush your teeth, make sure that your breath is fresh because you're breathing into that entire room. And if your breath doesn't smell great, that's really uncomfortable for every massage therapist. And it might be for you too, but just be aware of that. So pop a mint. Okay, the other one is, ladies, go easy on the perfume, please. So, one really big tip is, yes, we would love for you to shower. You can wear a light body mist that smells pretty, it smells flowery or fragrant, but it's a body mist, it's not a perfume. Some women are really hooked onto their perfume, and God bless you. That's awesome if you're gonna go out on the town, or if that perfume is gonna get a chance to kind of waft out into the open air. But inside a massage treatment room, that perfume is kind of going to stay there concentrated. And some massage therapists have allergies. I'm not saying to, walk on eggshells, but, some perfumes I've come across that are really overwhelming. Some perfumes even make me nauseous. So if they make me nauseous, they'll make another massage therapist nauseous. To turn the tables around, how would you like it if you went to get in a massage and your massage therapist reeked of a perfume you hated the entire time? It would totally throw you off. Both of you have to be in harmony. Both of you have to be in sync. It's good to smell fresh, but don't overdo it with the perfume. So skip the perfume. Again, just a nice, clean, fresh scent. Okay, so the other one is bring a cash tip. So normally, a tip would be anywhere between 15 to 20%, depending on the level of service. So you're looking at about anywhere between $10 to $20. If the place does not belong to the massage therapist, if it's not their business or their company, go ahead and bring cash if possible. If not, that's okay. But if, sometimes places prefer that. Also, call ahead and ask the business or the company, how do you accept your payments? Do you do credit cards? Do you do debit cards? Do you take checks if you prefer paying with a check? Don't show up and automatically assume they take your form of payment, because that can make for a really awkward situation. I've had people in the past, when I was just first starting out, kind of fumble around for, whatever type of payment, and it just makes it awkward after the massage. It's just weird. So just call ahead and ask, what type of payment do you accept, and is tipping usually recommended, and how do you tip? How do you accept tips? So just something to think about. And the last thing is arrive 5 to 10 minutes early. Now, ladies, I know that most of you struggle with time management. Actually, it's not just ladies, it's a lot of people. But it's something that I hear over and over and over again. Women have confessed to me, I'm terrible with managing my time. So if you know that that's an issue, try to arrive 5 to 10 minutes early to your massage appointment. If you don't, please know that the standard policy in most professional massage places is that it's going to cut into your massage time. What does that mean? If your massage starts at 2 p.m. and you show up exactly at 2 p.m., you still have to make time to speak with the therapist a couple minutes, do kind of a checkup on what's going on, what's hurting you, getting undressed, all those things. You don't want to be in a hurry. You want to give yourself at least a little bit of time. If you're visiting a large resort and a large spa where there's a lot of corridors and a lot of hallways and a lot of elevators and a lot of places you have to go and you don't know your way around, 5 to 10 minutes isn't going to cut it. You have to be there at least 20 to 30 minutes before to navigate your way around. Remember, this will cut into your massage time because normally the therapist has someone scheduled right after, and it's not fair for the next person to sacrifice their time simply because you weren't able to manage your time effectively. And you want your massage therapist to greet you warmly, relaxed, and for you yourself to be relaxed as well. All right, ladies, so this has been your massage checklist. Once again, I want you guys to have an amazing massage every single time, and I hope these tips help. If you can do them, great. If not, that's okay too. Think of this as an insider tip into the massage world and what therapists would love for you guys to do. So I hope this helps. I hope it's been educational. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and let me know. Or just go ahead and comment in the comment section below. And I would love to know, what are your experiences with massage? Are there any tips that you can give to us ladies out there, including myself, on some things that you have found really helpful when getting ready for your massage? This is Michelle from Lumina Massage. Thank you so much. The website is luminamassage.com, and I hope to see you guys in the future. Have a fantastic day. Thank you so much. Bye.